The RS Industria platform now has the functionality to automatically close an alert at midnight every night when selected from within the rule that alert is associated with. If you navigate to the home bar on the left, under Manage, select Rules, click into the rule of which you want to enable this feature for by the Edit button. Edit the alert that is associated with this rule. Enable the Close Alert Daily function by ticking this box and then publishing your alert. For the alerts that you have enabled this feature for, they will automatically reset at midnight every night.